Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this video I'm going to compare two project management tools. First one is ClickUp and the second one is Notion. We will go through some pros and cons. I will tell you more about these programs. We'll check the pricing plans, and at the end I'll try to tell you which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's start with ClickUp. ClickUp is a simple cloud-based collaboration and project management tool created for all user types. With ClickUp, you have all the features needed to help simplify and streamline your processes, including sales, marketing, design, and development. ClickUp features an agile board view that allows you to monitor every task on your team in one board and assign tasks to various members of the team. Tasks progress can be viewed in the form of percentage and can be marked either resolved or in progress, or users can alternatively customize their task progress statuses. A Gantt chart lets you view your tasks in timeline, by list or person, and automatically add updates in real time. ClickUp organizes task management in a hierarchical manner and allows you to sort tasks according to their priority. This property allows for improved productivity and lets you structure your project by assigning tasks to groups and arranging those groups under different categories. The software can be seamlessly integrated to Slack and similar apps through Zapier. The machine learning capability of the software assists project managers, give realistic timeframes for completion of projects, and lets teams accomplish their task before the deadline. As you can see, I prepared the test for you that we already created in a video about the ClickUp, the true and true. So you can check it on our... Oh, sorry. So you can, yeah, there was some kind of helicopter flying around. So you can check it on our YouTube channel, but let's come back to it. As you can see, we have some lists going on in our workspace, marked done, in progress, and to do. And what I really love about the ClickUp is that you can go and really see the progress. You can see the people aligned to the job, due dates, priorities, tests. In this test, I mean documents. You can add files. You can always go like this to make it easier, and then add a new columns. That's what I see. It's a really great, for example, progress. This is very neat about ClickUp. Everything seems so transparent and easy to navigate, easy to access it for the people, your employees, even maybe customers. You can automate it, and also you can show it to your either employees or customers. So let's talk more about the Notion right now. In Notion, is a comprehensive management tool that lets users write, plan, collaborate, and organize. It aims to eliminate the need for several tools by bringing multiple functionalities in one software. It offers features for notes and documents with lists made of checkable elements that also get struck out once checked. Notion even offers functionality to create and maintain a need and categorized knowledge base for the team. Users can manage their tasks and projects using Kanban layout, boards, calendar, and list views. Tasks and issues can be created and maintained, and their related info can be tracked. Statuses can be changed, and team collaboration is possible. The tool also has the functionality to manage spreadsheets and databases. Users can also access several keyboard shortcuts using / commands. The UI is drag and drop friendly. Notion also embeds several other apps, including Google Sheets, Docs, Drive, Maps, Figma, InVision, Framer, Twitter, and more. So when we're going to check how does it work, you can see the UI is not so different from ClickUp. You have the left sidebar, and then you have all the tasks for your team. It works both in iOS and even in Android, and the pricing plan is very nice as well. You have free license, let's say, same as at ClickUp, but ClickUp provides more options for you, so you are paying per month. For enterprise, same goes for Notion. You just don't have the biggest package in here. And also enterprise option if you are really big company, so they can tailor you the offer that is meant to be just for you, so you can save some money and enjoy working with Notion or ClickUp. In my opinion, we made a video, so I tried to work with both of them, and I like ClickUp more. It's so easy to operate, it's so easy to work in it. I'm sure that Notion is also very easy to use once you get into it, but for the same time that I invested in ClickUp and the same time I invested in Notion, I seem to like ClickUp way more than Notion. Also the pricing plans, well, it's a bit more expensive, but it's worth the buck in my opinion. Even if you are smaller, if you are a bigger company, if you are a startup, ClickUp is a very nice solution for you. So if you have any other questions, please leave them underneath the video in our comment section. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. So thanks for watching and see you soon.